Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Futures. In 2026, AI is reshaping everything, and computer science students are wondering if their dream career is still alive. Today we're giving you the honest truth on jobs, skills, and prospects in computer science during the AI era. Stick around because this could completely change how you plan your future in tech. Let's dive in. For over a decade, computer science was the safest bet. Learn coding, get placed, earn well, and settle early. But that old formula is under pressure now, with powerful AI tools changing the game fast. Tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Claude, and Gemini can generate code in seconds. AI today writes website code, fixes bugs, generates test cases, explains code bases, converts languages, and speeds up repetitive work. This hits entry-level jobs hard because freshers once spent days on basic tasks like login pages or routine debugging. Companies now need fewer freshers for basic work and more who can think beyond it. Students feel real panic, wondering if reviewing AI-generated code replaces solving problems themselves. Many chose computer science for the joy of building apps, games, automation, and systems. If the role shifts to managing machines, does that joy stay? And could salaries drop as coding barriers lower? But here's the reassuring side. Computer science is not dying. Technology demand is exploding everywhere. Banks, hospitals, logistics, manufacturing, media, and governments all need engineers for digital systems and automation. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025 lists software development, AI, data, and cybersecurity as top growing fields this decade. So the market signal is clear: computer science is evolving, not disappearing. Let's break down what will weaken and what will strengthen in this AI era. Weaker areas include basic copy-paste coding, knowing only one language without fundamentals, tutorial learning without real projects, routine maintenance tasks, and candidates with degrees but no actual skills may also struggle. Stronger skills shine in system design, cybersecurity, cloud engineering, AI engineering, and data engineering. Product development, embedded systems, semiconductor hardware, software integration, and real business problem solving are also rising fast. Shallow skills weaken, while deep skills and domain knowledge strengthen dramatically. Career Counselor advises combining emerging technologies with conventional disciplines for future success. Build a solid computer science foundation first, then layer on AI, automation, analytics, or sector-specific expertise. Think hybrid models like computer science plus healthcare tech, finance tech, defense systems, manufacturing automation. Or add agriculture technology and education technology to create unstoppable career advantages. So, should you still choose computer science? Absolutely yes, if you genuinely love technology and problem solving. No course guarantees success anymore, but for continuous learners who enjoy building things, it remains one of the strongest options. If you dislike coding and chase only salary, this path may feel tougher now with fewer easy entry-level roles. From your first year, focus sharply on fundamentals like data structures, databases, networks, and operating systems. Build real projects instead of just collecting certificates, and use AI tools to assist, but always understand the underlying logic. Work on communication, teamwork, and by second or third year develop depth in one area like cloud, security, AI, backend, mobile, data, or product roles. Pursue early internships and create strong proof of work through genuine, real-world projects that demonstrate your skills. Computer science is no longer the easy default option, but it can still be one of the very best choices. AI will replace some routine tasks, and reduce certain roles, yet it boosts demand for those who solve real business problems with technology. For curious students willing to keep learning, this field offers incredible opportunities ahead. Computer science won't die in the AI age, but the easy version of it might. Thanks for watching. If you're pursuing computer science, drop your biggest question below and hit subscribe for more career guides.